Okay students, so let's start the exercise 1.4. Okay, so the first question is, they have asked you to find the union of each of the following pairs of sets. So they have given in the question each pair of sets, right? In each question they have given pair of sets, so they have asked you to find out union of those pair of sets. In the first question, X is a set whose elements are 1, 3 and 5. Second set is given whose element is 1, 2, 3. Now they have said write union of this set, means X union Y we have to find out. So X union Y will be what? All element of X, as well as it is a set in which the elements are all elements of X and Y. It is a set, first thing. Okay, union is always set whose element will be all element of X and Y. So 1 will be there, 2, 3, 2 will be there, 3 will be there, 5 will be there, right? So you can see X all elements are there, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5 are there, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 are there. So I'm not repeating the element here, okay? And I've written all the element of X as well as Y. So number 2, A, E, I, O, U. A union B is equal to what? It's a set in which the element will be all element of A and B. So element of A is A, E, I, O, U. Right? Element of B is A, B. So B I have not written, so I can write here. Here order does not matter. Which position you are writing does not matter. Okay. A, B, C. C is not there in A. C also you have to write. Okay. So I have written all the element. Element of A is there. A, E, I, O, U. Element of B, A, B, C. A, B, C are also there. So union we have written. Okay. Number 3. A is a set, this is given inside builder form, in which elements are X. Now what is X? X is a natural number. Now if I stop here, all the natural number will come in A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But they have given again, X is a natural number and multiple of 3. So X is a natural number and multiple of 3 also. So natural number starts from 1, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that it will go. Now it should be also multiple of 3. Now which natural number are multiple of 3? The first natural number will be 3. Multiple of 3 means those number which you can write 3 into something, and that something must be whole number. So 3 I can write 3 into 1. Next multiple of 3 will be 6. 6 can I write or not? 3 into something. 2 I can write. Next will be 9, like that. Okay. So 6, next 9, next multiple of 3 is 12, next in this way it will go on, 15, 18, 21, like that it will go on. It's never ending. Okay. So it's an infinite set basically. So this is A set. Next B set is what? Set B is X is the element, right? X is natural number less than 6. So X is natural number less than 6. So what are the natural number less than 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Less than 6, not equal to 6. Okay, so less than 6 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will be the element of set B. Now I have to find union of this two set. So A union B means all element of A and B. So 3, 4, 5, 6 everything will come. 3, 6, 9 like this, and this also will come. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will be there. Okay. Then after that, see all element of B I have written, right? Now all element of A also I have to write. Now 3 already written, so will not repeat. Next 6, 9, 12 ... it will go on. Okay. The moment I will put ... I will see the pattern of first two last two digit. Okay, whatever is the not digit, actually the number. Okay, last two number we will check the pattern, and whatever is the pattern followed here, not 2 only 3 number also you can take. Okay, so here the pattern is, you can see multiple of 3, right? So the moment we write ... means that pattern will follow and all the numbers will be of that pattern only next. Okay, so here all the numbers will be multiple of 3, so this will be infinite set again. Okay, number 4. So I will write directly now. Okay, so A union B here. So what is your A? You can write down separately A what it is. Okay, let me write down. A is equal to what here? X. X is a natural number and X is less than equal to 6, greater than 1. So greater than 1 means which will be the first natural number we will take? 2. 1 also we cannot take because restriction is given. What is the restriction here? X is greater than 1. So 1 also you cannot take as a element of this set. Okay, so they have said A is a set in which X is the element. Now what is X? X is a natural number. If it is so, then the element should be 1 2 3 4 5 like that, right? But restriction is given. What is the restriction? X should be greater than 1. So greater than 1 is 2 natural number. Okay, after this only it will start. Now till where it is? X is greater than 1 and less than equal to 6. So 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 also will be there. So this will be the element of A, set A. Okay, next, what is your set B? Set B is again a natural number whose elements are X greater than 6. Again natural number but X greater than 6. Restriction is greater than 6 means it will start with from 7. Just greater than 6, what is the natural number? 7, right? Next natural number is 7. Greater than 6 and less than 10. Less than 10, what are the natural numbers? 7, 8, 9, that's it. Okay, so X is the element and X is what? Greater than 6 and less than 10. So here only natural number will be there. Which natural number? X greater than 6, less than 10. Greater than 6, right? This one, and less than 10. Okay, so this will be your set. Now you have to find union of this. So A union B will be how much? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All element of A is there, right? Then 7, 8, 9. Element of B is also there. So all elements are separated by commas. Okay, so these are the elements of A union B. Next, number 5. A is equal to 1, 2, 3. Or like, okay, let me write down directly. A union B. Union means all element of A as well as B. So element of A is 1, 2, 3. Element of B is what? Nothing is there. So this will be the set. Okay. So let's move to question number 2. So let A is this, B is this. Is A subset of B? What is A union B? Okay, 2 questions. First thing, they have given 2 sets to you. Okay. Set A, what it is? Given. You can write given A is equal to A comma B. So element of set A is A comma B. Element of set B is A comma B comma C, small c. Okay, now they are asking, is A subset of B? Now what was the definition of subset? If A have to be subset of B, then all element of A must contain in B. A is element of set A and B is element of set A. So AB, it is contained in B or not? Yes, AB is also element of B. So yes, A will be subset. Since all element of A contain in B, therefore A is subset of B, proper subset of B. Okay, now next second part is they have asked you to find out A union B. You can write this one in different form also. Okay, so you can write like this: since A comma B, A comma small b belongs to A implies A comma B belongs to B. Therefore, like that. Okay, you can write therefore A is a subset, proper subset of B. This was the other definition. Remember, I have given the alternate definition also. This also you can write. Okay, this is optional, or you can write in words also like this. Next, A union B. You can write again A union B. What it will be? Now A union B means all element of A and B. This is a set in which elements are all element of A and B. So A, B, element of A. Now let's write element of B. A, B is already written. C we have to write. So all element of A and B are written. Okay. So I hope till now union is clear now for you. So number 3, if A and B are 2 sets, I hope you can see. You can open your textbook and see from there. Okay. if A and B are two sets such that A subset of B, then what is A union of B? So see carefully. A and given A and B are two sets and A is subset of proper subset of B. Now they are asking what will be A union B. According to you, you can see from here only. Like for example, okay, from here only you can see. Okay, let me write down here also. Now this is what set. A, B, C is nothing but your B set, right? Now see carefully, whenever your A is subset of B, this means what? Obviously this set must be smaller than this one, right? For example, A, if you have element 1, 2 and B is having element, suppose bigger than this one, I will write. Superset means 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now when you will find union, what you will do? You will write all element of this and then all element of this. Now see here, all element of this are obviously here, right? Because A is subset of B. If A is subset of B, all element of A will be there in B. So when you will find union, obviously your union will be set B only. Because when we write union, what we used to do? All element of A and B we used to write, right? So here no logic of writing element of A. We can say that all element of B we are writing. Are you understanding? A union B, when we will write, what we used to do is we write down the element of A as well as element of B, right? So basically, if you know that A is subset of B, we understand that this is smaller set compared to this. Whatever element you have here also. So if I have all the element of this here, then when I will find union, what we used to do is we used to write element of this and this, all element. So instead of writing this, if I say element of this only, if I write, will it contain this elements only also or not? Obviously yes. In union, all element of A and B will be there, and this is bigger set, so I can write this one as set B only. So whenever your A is subset of B, A union B will be what? B. Because A is smaller than B, means all element of A is here in B, right? So when we write union, what we used to do? We used to write set where all element of A and B are written there, right? So if I have to write all element of A and B here, now we know that all element of A is there in B. So instead of writing all element of A and B, shall I write directly B? Because if I write B only, what you have here in this set, you will have element of A as well as B also, because this is smaller than this. Okay. So A union B will be your B. Clear? Number 4. If A is equal to this, B equal to this, okay. I hope you can see. Number 4, they have given A is equal to this, B is equal to this set, C is equal to this, okay, D is equal to this. Fine. Okay, many questions are there now. A union B, A union C, this. So you write down first, given A is equal to this, B equal to this, everything you write down. Okay, set. I'm not writing because video get more lengthy. That's why. Okay. So I'm trying to make it in short interval of time. I'm trying to cover more number of questions. Okay. So if I have to write all this, it will take more time. So let's directly do the question. A union B, what it will be? All element of A and B. So element of A, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Element of B are 3, 4. So 3, 4 I will not repeat. 5, 6. 5, 6. So this will be A union B. Number 2, A union C. A union C means all element of A 1, 2, 3, 4 and all element of C. C 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. So this will be your union of A and C. Number 3, B union C. B union C. All element of B are 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And C. Element of C are 5, 6, 7, 8. So 5, 6 I am not going to repeat. 7, 8. So you can see all element of B and C are there. Number 4, B union D. So all element of B I will write first. 3, 4, 5, 6. Then D elements are 7, 8. So I'm not repeating, right? 7, 8, 9, 10. You can open your textbook and can see, okay? I hope you can understand what I'm writing here. Similar question. Number 5. Number 5, A union B union C means A element, B element, C element must be there in this set, okay? So all element of A, let me write down 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are element of A. Next element of B are 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4 I'm not going to repeat. 5, 6. Element of C is 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6 I will not repeat. 7, 8. Okay, so all element of A, B, C are there in this set. Okay, so union means all element must be there. Okay, so next is number 6. So A union B union A union B union D you have to find. So what it will be? All element of A, B and D. Element of A are 1, 2, 3, 4. Element of B are 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then element of D are 7, 8. 7, 8, 9, 10. So you can see all element of A, B and D are there in this set. Okay. Last number 7. You can try yourself this one. B union C union D. Okay. Find out. Number 5. Find the intersection. Intersection means what was the symbol of intersection? This one. And meaning is common element. Whatever sets are there, between that set, whatever common element, that elements will be there in this set. Okay. So find the intersection of each pair of set in question number 1 above. So question number 1, you can see this one it is. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sets are given, right? 5 questions are given. In that pair of sets are given. So in this pair of sets you have to find intersection, means common element. So number 1, sets are given x equal to 1, 3, 5. Okay, sorry. Y is given 1, 2, 3. Right, so these are the sets. Now I have to find intersection. Intersection means this symbol, okay? And intersection meaning is what? Common element between x and y. So between x and y, what is the common element? Only 3. So here the element will be 3. Simple question. Okay. Number 2. Number 2, what is the set given? Set A. A, E, I, O, U. All the vowels are given here. Set B is given A, B, C. A, B, C. Now I have to find intersection. Means common element between A and B. This is a set where elements are common elements of A and B. Common element of A and B are what? A is common. Anything else? No. So only A will be set. Okay. If I make mistake, do correct it. Okay. I hope you have understood the meaning here. Common element we are finding. So A is the only common element here, right? B, C, is it there? No. So A will be the element of this. Okay. So these are single tone set also, you can say. Okay, so same way you find out the other questions also. Okay, common element you just find out there. Next is number 6. Number 6 also only some question I will do from there. So first question you try to do yourself. All are similar. A intersection B means common element between. Okay, let me write down the answer directly. A intersection B means common element between A and B. What it will be? You can see from here. This is your set A, this is your set B. So between these two, what is the common element? 3, is it common? No. 5, no. 7, yes, 7 is there. So 7 will be there in this set. 9, yes, 9 is there. 11, yes, 11 is common. So these are the element of A intersection B. Okay. So number 2 you do yourself. Number 3 I will do for you. A intersection C intersection D you have to find out. Now how you will find out this one? So you have to find basically common element between A, C and D. All. If you cannot do at the same time, what you can do is between these two you find out first. Okay. What are the common elements? Then you compare with this. Means first you find out A intersection C. You will get some set, right? Whatever other elements, you try to find out common element between D also. Whatever elements are here, between this and between D, what is the common element you find out. Okay, let me show you here. Now A intersection B. Okay, let me write in bracket only first. A intersection C, then intersection D we will find out. If you have confusion, you can write like this. A intersection C means common element between A and C. What it will be? Common element between A and C. 11 is common. Only 11 is common, right? So here, what will be the element? Only 11 in this part. Intersection D. Okay, this is this set. So between this set and this set, what is common? So D is which one? 15 and 17 is there. So in this set you have 15, 17. So is there anything common? Nothing is common, so this will be empty. There will be no common element between all these three. Okay, so empty, which you can write 5 also. Okay, so next, number 4 you can do yourself. Number 5 also you can do yourself. Number 6 I will show you. Number 6, A intersection B union C. So how you will do this one? Always bracket first, right? Remember Bodmas rule? Bracket always come first. So you have to solve inside bracket first. So see here, first thing we will find out B union C. Now what it will be? Set, right? So let me write down set symbol only. Okay. So B union C means all element of B and C. So all element of B and C. B is this, C is this. So 7, 9, 11, 13. 7, 9, 11, 13. These are element of B. Now element of C, 11, 13, 12. So 11, 13 I will not repeat. 15. Sorry, not 12. 15. 15 is there. Okay. So these are the elements of B union C. Now I have to find A intersection this. Means common element between set A and set this. Set A, what are the elements? 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. So 3, is it common? No. 3 is not there. 5 is not there. 7 is there. So this will give you 7. Next, anything common? 9. 9 is there. Next, 11 is there in A. Okay, you can't see here, right? 11. Where is the set again? Number 6, this one. In set A, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 is there. Let me write here. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. So between this set and between this set, what is common? 3, no. 5, no. 9 is common. 7 is common. 7 I have written. 9 is common. Yes. 11 is common. So these are the element of this set. Okay. So you please check. Okay. If I make any mistake there, I hope you have understood the meaning. That is important. Okay. So while writing, I may make mistake because I have to see the camera as well, whether it is focusing all the time or not. Because sometime in between only, it used to go out of focus the video. So most of the videos got ruined by that way only. So I have to check all the time. Okay. So while that I used to make mistakes. So you please verify that yourself. Okay. You have understood the problem, right? So this way you try question number 7, 8 and 9 also. Now in 9 how you will do? First you find out intersection of this one. You will get one set, right? You write down that. You find out this union. You will get set. Then you find out common between that. What it is. Okay. So you try all this question yourself now. Okay. So I will start other questions in the next video. Okay. And you can try also. You can also do it this one easily. These are difference, right? A difference B means how you will you will get this one. This is nothing but a set, right? And in this set, what will be the element? All element of A, but those should not be there which are there in B. In this set, it will be a set in which element will be only element of A. Okay? And from there also you have to remove B element. So in your set A, whatever B elements are there, just remove those. Whatever left over, that will be your A difference B set. Okay, so that way you can find out these things also. Anyway, I will do in the next video. Okay.